Hello, today I will show you how to reset register battery, reset the muffler from BMW, reset the oil from the reader. Just put the key on and turn the engine, but the engine not on, but everything is on right here. And now you start. Select the auto ID. To turn on the key on. Select, put the auto ID. It's E70 diesel. And put the special test engine. See the battery resistor. Put continue. So this one I already registered. So if you just register, just put star. But I already registered. I put exit. By the oil service reset right here. Put oil and put continue and put reset. But I don't want to do it, so I put exit. And particle filter replay, put it on. And I put continue. And put reset. And reset complete. Exit. Battery test. And everything. It's only here. If you have the good scanner, just do it. And sometimes very simple to do, but you don't cost a lot of money to repair. But if you go to the dealer or something, they charge you like thousand of dollar. thank you. If you have any problem, just let me know. I will help you with no charge. But you know, thank you for watching. Bye bye.